Good day, everyone. I am Richylle, and I'm going to give you a demonstration today on how to create a simple Python program with the use of Google Collaboratory. So first, we will go to our browser, and we're going to search Google Colab. Then you click this one. You have to install it first from the Google Workspace Marketplace. So you click the Google Apps button here, then click Drive. Make sure that you have logged in your Google account already so you can access it. Then you click the My Drive here, click More, then click Connect More Apps. So then when you reach the Google Marketplace, you search Google Colab, then you install it. Once it is installed, it is included in the apps list in your Google Drive. So this is where you can find your Google Collaboratory. So we will now go to Google Collaboratory. Change the window. Okay, so a certain window will show up and you will click this button, the new notebook. So we could proceed to the workspace. Now that we have arrived in the workspace, we will click the Add Code button here. And this will be the code cell. So now, the basic structure of getting input is variable name equals input, then the message to the user. So the input is a function in which it asks the user to write a message so that it could be captured later on. All right. Since classes just started, of course, you will also have your own allowance, right? So I will teach you how to write a program that will let you input your name, your daily allowance, and then print your total allowance in a month. So first, we will type here name, equal sign, input, open parentheses, then single quote, and type your name, and space, single quote, then close parentheses. And now we're already done with our first line. For the second line, we will type your daily allowance here. So press enter for your keyboard, then I will put daily as the variable name here, then equals, then eval, open parenthesis, input, open parenthesis again, then open quotation, your daily allowance in pesos. Space, close quotation, then close parentheses. The function of eval here or evaluate is to convert the number that you type into a numerical value. This is important, especially if you want to type a formula for your program. Also, parentheses and quotations are very important too, so don't forget to type them. Now we will proceed to our next line. For this line, since we are calculating your total allowance in a month, we first have to type the formula or expression. Let us say that your allowance is given 5 days a week, and there are 4 weeks in a month. So I'll type month here as the variable name equals open parenthesis daily. Then we're going to multiply it to 5. The asterisk here is used to multiply a number. Then close parenthesis, then times 4. Now we are done with the formula, so let's proceed. For the next line, we will now use the print function. So the print function is to print out the conversion. The formula or expressions that we have typed from the previous lines will be shown after. So first we will type print, open parenthesis, open quotation, then type your total allowance in a month is, close quotation, comma, then space, then month. So the variable month here is used for this expression. So now we are done typing our code. We will run it by clicking this play button. So you type your name, then your daily allowance, let's say 100 pesos. So your total allowance in a month is 2,000 pesos. So it's very simple, right? So that is how you write a Python program, and that's how you use the input and the print function. So what I have learned from doing this activity is to be patient and then to be extra careful, especially that if you miss a variable or a code, your program will not run successfully. It will appear that just the same as your calculators, it will appear syntax error or keyboard error. So I also learned that once I fully understand how to work a program, I will explain why and how it works, which makes my learning in computer programming more interesting. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've learned so much for today's video, and have a great day.